What do you think? Which is the misconception that really around food that you see propagating a lot that really, really drives you crazy?
That's a very good question. uh, there's a lot actually, which really, I wouldn't say drives us crazy, but really we feel like, because we've seen another way, it makes us feel that people need to know this. I think one would be that that packaged food is normal. It's normal to eat it, and it's normal to feed our kids this, and it's normal to call it food even. I think that's something that when we turn the ingredient list, turn the packets and see the ingredient list, and what we see, it makes us realize that it's anything but normal. It's anything but food, So I think that's also something we've created a lot of videos about, because it really angers us when we see how what the companies are doing to us, what the companies are making us believe, and how they're targeting our children, the children of our society, the most, and really planning their own profits at the cost of our health. So I think, that drives us crazy, you could say. And we feel that the answer is so simple, We've been led to believe that we need these shiny packets to feel energetic, or to feel even like simple things like to become healthier. In many cases, we need all these things coming from packets which are ultra processed. But the truth is that, coming back to Mother Nature point, that nature has already given us those things. Nature has already given us the best orange. Why are we sending that orange to a factory, processing it, filling it with white poison called sugar, and then consuming it as a tetra packaged orange juice? Why, when nature has given us a tomato, and when we can easily make a syrup or a ketchup for it, then why are we sending it to a factory, turning it into an artificial product, and then consuming it, which is mostly preservatives, sugar, and chemicals?